Electric tricycles, or e-trikes, have become a significant trend in personal transportation by 2025, offering a blend of stability, eco-friendliness, and versatility. These three-wheeled electric vehicles cater to a diverse range of users, including commuters, seniors, and cargo transporters. One notable model is the Electric XP trike, recognized for its affordability and performance. Equipped with a 500 West motor and a 48 volts, 10.4Ah battery, it provides a reliable range suitable for daily commutes. The inclusion of a rear rack with a 150 pounds weight capacity enhances its utility for carrying cargo or groceries. Additionally, the trike features hydraulic disc brakes on 180mm rotors, ensuring effective stopping power for rider safety. For those seeking a folding option, the Trike-10 M330F folding electric trike offers convenience and portability. Powered by a 750 West rear drive motor, it delivers ample speed and torque while preventing startup slippage for a smooth ride. Its folding structure allows for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for urban dwellers with limited space. The trike's design focuses on comfort and stability, appealing to a wide range of riders. In terms of safety and suitability for plus-sized riders, the EverJourney e-trike stands out. This model emphasizes comfort with a padded seat and backrest, and its sturdy construction supports higher weight capacities. The design facilitates easy mounting and dismounting, enhancing accessibility for all users. Its electric assist features make it a practical choice for those seeking both exercise and assistance during rides. The versatility of electric tricycles extends to cargo transport as well. Models like the Cube Trike Family Hybrid 1500 are designed to handle substantial loads, making them suitable for family outings or transporting goods. These trikes combine robust construction with electric assistance, ensuring that riders can manage heavy cargo without excessive effort. While specific availability may vary, such models represent the growing trend of using e-trikes for practical transportation needs. Overall, the 2025 landscape of electric tricycles showcases a range of options tailored to different needs, from daily commuting and leisure riding to cargo transport. Their design innovations and technological advancements continue to make them a viable and attractive mode of personal transportation.